Hi there, Kira here with another Life Crafted video for Citrus Twist Kits. So today I am using mostly Life Crafted in this layout, mostly digitals actually in this layout. So if you weren't able to grab the July kit, you should still be able to go to the Citrus Twist shop online and pick up any of these digitals that I'm showing you now. I do originally kind of start placing some of the add-on kit pieces, and I don't think any of those end up making it in the final layout. So you'll see me kind of fuss around with pieces that aren't in the Life Crafted kit, but those don't end up making it on the layout in the end. So I started with this photo of my boys well, it's not on Father's Day, but it's for Father's Day. And I always take these for my husband every year. And then I always do like a little questionnaire for my husband too. So just ask the boys questions about my husband, and then the boys answer them in really cute ways, like how old is daddy, and one of them said 50 and one of them said 100 this year, which is really cute because my husband's 37, so he's not that old yet. So you get really cute answers from your kids if you do this, and I just like recording it in my scrapbooks. I always do like a little card or gift that goes along with it, but I think this is more permanent putting it in our scrapbooks. So this month I did not get the actual physical die cut pack, so I used all digitals this month, which I think are great because you're able to resize them the way that you want them. You can have multiple of one die cut and have it look completely different when you resize it. So you can see on here that I'm using like two of the same flower, but one is really little on the right side and one is larger on the left side. I'm using multiple butterflies. On the bigger butterfly, I have one printed out on paper and one printed out on vellum, and then I just attached them with a tiny attacher, so it kind of I created my own embellishment and gives it a little bit of texture and dimension, just a little bit more interest. And then I was able to print it really tiny, and I get a little smaller butterfly, which is super cute too. So I just love the versatility that digital offers you, and if you missed out on this kit, because I know that it sold out pretty quickly, you can still grab all this stuff on in the shop. So make sure you go ahead and grab some of the digitals if you don't have the physical product. And also the paper that you see that I'm using, this is actually digital paper, and I imported it into Word, and then I just turned down the transparency of it, so I was able to type over top of it without because it's they're pretty bold colors this month, so I didn't want the colors to kind of overtake the journaling. I wanted the journaling to stand out a little bit more, so I just turned down the transparency and was able to use it as kind of a softer background. And now I put on my title with the black letters included in the Life Crafted kit, and I had a little bit more space up top than I had originally anticipated, so I'm just kind of trying to fill that space a little bit now. I ended up settling with a label, and I will go ahead and put the date of this year's Father's Day on the label, and then stick that up top there and call that page done. Actually I'll add some enamel dots later, but I'm going to go ahead and adhere down this stuff on this other page first. Again, these are all the digital die cuts that are available on the Citrus Twist website, and you can size them however you like. I use my Cricut print and cut, but there's also PDFs that you can print out and then just fussy cut them, which I did do with some of the pieces. I think it's just easier to fussy cut some of the like straighter pieces than it is to import them into the Cricut software and have them cut out that way. Now I'm going to add some enamel dots. These are new to the shop, and I'm just obsessed with the colors of these, and I've used them, I think, on every single layout that I've done this month. I have added enamel dots. And sorry if you can hear my kids in the background. They're being kind of loud. It's a Sunday, and they're all wound up, so sorry if they're disrupting this video. And that's it. That's my finished layout. I'm going to go ahead and stick that in my Family Life Crafted album. I've got some close-ups here at the end, so you can see everything up close. And if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments below, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.